Hey, I'm Alice. Today we're at the gorgeous Palm Beach, aka Home and Away's Summer Bay. I know. In case you haven't guessed, this is the official tour of everyone's favourite Aussie soap, Home and Away.
I worked for Channel 7 for many years, so I was the digital producer. Spent 11 years producing the behind-the-scenes videos, interviewing the cast, going on location. Every tour is different. Sometimes you might see actors, we can't guarantee you'll get a picture with them, but they always try their best to be available. We are very blessed that the cast are very friendly. Sometimes they'll jump on the bus, and that's the icing on the cake.
Keep your eyes peeled, you never know who you're going to see. Oh, you're just coming down to watch Billy? Well, I'll see you down there.
Where's London? Where's your other half?
She'll be here soon. Good to see you.
We do 5 tours a week. It's growing. I mean, we have multi-generational families. We'll get grandparents, the grandkids. We've had people proposing on the tour. We get people from all over the world. Ireland, the UK, New Zealand, Belgium, Norway, Estonia. And yes, they do dub it into Estonian.
This 4-hour isango tour is one for the diehards. On the agenda is a visit to all the key filming spots like the Bay Surf Club, the pier and Alf's Bait Shop.
It's just recently celebrated 31 years of being on air. The storylines cover such a broad range of topics. So I think it's very much loved in the Australian psyche. Everyone, if you're travelling overseas, knows the theme tune. They'll have a sing-along. People have even told me that they've moved here because of Home and Away. Do you really want to? I mean, there's births, there's deaths, there's marriages, but there's also fires and hurricanes and stabbings.
Oh, that's true. You'll hear all the insider stories behind the production of this truly one-of-a-kind TV show. And on top of that, you'll get to visit Sydney's stunning northern beaches and charming coastal suburbs.
Sensational. Give yourself a round of applause.